strong.
Hi guys, welcome to another video of 12 Years Gone. It's mommy here in the kitchen today and I'll be cooking up my Sunday dinner, which is callaloo rice and stew peas with beef only. All beef in it this time, no pigtail today. So I'm just going to put the pigtail in the pot. And my peas with garlic, of course. And add our water. Look more water. Yeah, this should be enough. We're going to pressure the peas and the beef together. And hopefully this pressure cooker work good today, because sometimes me and my friends, sometimes me and my friends work when you feel like. So hopefully today you pressure good. Alright, so I'm going to do the callaloo rice now. Yeah, now I'm going to add the callaloo to the water. If the callaloo was in the freezer, that's why it look like this. Frozen callaloo. We'll boil it. Add a little salt. Check later, so that's enough salt. Alright, so I'm just going to add all the callaloo to cook a bit and then I add the rice and season. Add the season, good time, scallion and what call this again, pimento. There's our coconut milk. Add some salt. Maggi seasoner. Then I'll put those scotch bonnet and I'm going to press a little oil. A little garlic powder. Until the peas are really red. Allow to thicken up my season. Now check on it again. Alright guys, we'll go add our rice and our season to our color rice. Add a little coconut milk. Save some piece to a piece. That time I never squeeze enough coconut milk. Look a bit. I'm not very a pressure cooker or pressure using that, guys. I'm not telling you, I'll give me trouble. I hope the spoon builds up there. I look a margarine. Butter. And a good old Maggi powder season. Yeah, my son got this one for me in the DR. Now we got our rice. Rice now. Long time I know you call rice either. Maybe pumpkin white rice or rice and rice. Okay. Let's use something different today. Yeah, plain white rice. Yeah, cover up like steam. This one I know. I'm not gonna take it. Sometimes when I play around it, with it a little bit of starch. Make nice. Alright. So for a piece, this is what it looks like at the end. I didn't add any spinners today. Cameraman show the color rice as well. Finish. So this is it for now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And have a happy new year. Bye.